Here's how to hide price in WooCommerce using a free plugin that actually works. Go to Add a New Plugin. Type Price Guard for WooCommerce in the search box. You want the one that says Price Guard by WP Mario Com and hit Install Now. Once that's done, click Activate. Now head over to WooCommerce and then Settings. There's a new tab called Price Guard. Click it. Check the box that says Enable to hide product prices. This hides prices on everything by default, but you probably want more control than that, so click No. I want to select specific categories instead. Now you can pick which categories get the hidden prices treatment. There's a text field for custom messages where prices used to be, but that's a pro feature. The free version just removes prices completely without putting anything in their place. You can also hide the Add to Cart buttons if you want. Check Enable to hide the Add to Cart button and then pick Normal Link from the dropdown. This gives you a custom button that sends people to your contact page or quote form instead. Just so you know, hiding prices on individual products is also locked behind the Pro version. The free plugin only works store-wide or by categories. Hit Save Changes when you're ready. Go check your storefront and you'll see prices are gone exactly like you set it up. The free version handles the basics pretty well if you just need to hide prices across your whole store or specific categories.